Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chrysler 300 garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console. To clear any previous programming, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them for about 20 seconds until the indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This confirms all old codes are erased, and you are ready for new programming. Now, let's program your home link with your existing garage door remote. Hold your handheld opener 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and your garage door opener's button. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow, steady flash to a rapid, quick flash. Once it flashes rapidly, release both buttons. If your garage door opener has a rolling code system, there's one more step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and find the Learn or Smart button. Press and release this button. You now have about 30 seconds to return to your vehicle. Once back in your Chrysler 300, firmly press the home link button you just programmed 3 times. The garage door should activate, confirming the rolling code is successfully learned. Finally, test your newly programmed home link button to ensure your garage door opens and closes correctly. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, paying close attention to each instruction. Also, ensure your handheld garage door opener has fresh batteries, as a weak signal can sometimes prevent successful programming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.